Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by opening System Properties because advanced options live there. Right-click Start or press Win+X, then choose System to land on the About page. Once there, make sure to look on the right for related links and click Advanced System Settings. This step launches the System Properties window. You're starting at the correct control panel to access environment variables, performance options, and startup settings. So proceed now to modify settings that affect system behavior and user profiles. In the Advanced tab, you tune performance and variables that affect apps and system behavior. Click Settings under Performance to choose Visual Effects or change virtual memory. Reducing animations improves responsiveness, while custom paging helps heavy workloads. Then click Environment Variables to add or edit path entries for tools you install. This makes command line apps available everywhere. Once done with edits, apply changes and restart affected apps. Some changes need a sign out or reboot to take full effect, so plan accordingly. Finish by applying changes and closing dialogues. Many settings require you to sign out or reboot, so save work first. If something doesn't stick, make sure you have administrator rights and check for group policy or domain restrictions that override local changes. This is why settings may revert. As a precaution, create a system restore point before major edits. That lets you roll back if performance or stability suffers. If problems persist, revert the specific change and reboot to confirm which adjustment caused the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.